All right, guys, so I'm hoping you can see me, but we have our 13B Rew here. You see we've taken it apart, so I'm gonna start showing you the steps. So let's get right into it, then I'll show you a closer look up into all these. Let's get to it. Let's get a look at this drill. Oh no. Okay, I don't want to mix any of those up. I'm gonna try to keep them in there like so and make sure I'm not forgetting anything. All right, so we've got that bolt out. Let me tap it lightly. I can see it separating already. I just want to be gentle, not to mess it up. That's fine. Slowly but surely. Okay, yeah. I think it'll come loose now. Let's get this Dorito out. Ooh. Hold on, let me take a picture. Oh, I got a picture actually. Oh yeah. There's the first Dorito. And not too bad in here. It'll clean up. All right, guys, we're here with the 13B. Let me focus you in here. Come on, camera. All right, you saw tearing it all down. Let's get a good little look in there. See if I can zoom you in there. You can see that housing. There you go. I'm hoping you can see that, but see, it's got some stuff, but I haven't tried to clean it. All I've done really is just hit these parts with some brake cleaner, and that is about all. Trying to zoom out here. See that rotor? I didn't do too much cleaning. I just got off all the surface rust really on the rotors, the surfaces. All I did was hit those with some brake cleaner like I said, but there's that back one. Let me get you another view. They look okay. I mean, I don't know too crazy of an amount on these rotors yet, but let me show you these, and if you know more than me, drop a comment, let me know what you think. There's that. I'll show you the other front of it. There's that. Here's the back housing. Focus you in. See all along there. Like I said, haven't really tried to really clean these. I've just hit them with some parts cleaner. There's the back piece of the housing. And where's the little shaft? There is the little shaft. That's the whole thing. There's the front end right there. So let me know what you think on this, if you've got a little more knowledge on these than me. But this is all the stuff. We've got it taken apart. On this one, about all the apex seals fell out. This one, they all stayed in, but yeah, these, they just, with a bot. This one, it was upside down, so these, they're just out, fell out when I pulled them out. And the other ones, when I had them here, right here, you know, cleaning it, they fell out. But yeah, that's what we're working with right now. Let me know if you think this is worth the rebuild, or if I should just sell this, get some money from this, and just buy a FC 13B, because this is a 13B Rew. It came with the FC that I had bought, so I know these don't just drop straight in. You got to do some stuff, but it's got the transmission and everything with it. It has the sequential turbos too. I want to say it's about like 60% complete. And part-wise, it's got the power steering, the AC, and all that. Alternator starter, I've got all that for it. It's just mainly like the pipings and all the little stuff, but this is what we're working with. Let me know what you think. Like I said, if we should sell this or if we should rebuild this. I thought about doing away with the turbos too, because that'd be a lot easier. I kind of just want to have a running 13B, but Let me know what you think. Drop it down in the comments. But that's all we got for this one. I'll see you in the next one. Stay tuned.